You ever seen birds fly in a circle like that? It's pretty weird. Those are birds flying like a tornado in a circle. Where are they flying around? That is wild. Who knows? One bird's coming. Look at them birds. You ever seen them birds fly in a circle like a tornado?